Okay. The first multiple choice is approximately how many different kinds of atoms are there, Asad?
Miss 100.
Yes, its answer is 100. Which of these molecules is not a compound, Muskan?
N2.
N2, nitrogen gas. Why you are saying that it is not a compound?
Because Miss, it is only one molecule of atom.
No, it is the molecule of one type
Atom.
of element. That's why we are saying it's not a compound. It is a molecule of element.
Atom.
You have to say your answer correctly because it very important that how you are explaining your answer. Okay, next is a compound contains Zimal.
Different kinds of atoms chemically combined together.
Yes. Option number C, different kinds of atoms chemically combined together. Its correct answer is C. In a compound, different atoms are chemically combined together. Okay, next, number 4. When magnesium powder, Mg, when magnesium powder and sulfur are heated together, when you are heating magnesium and sulfur together, a compound is formed. The name of the compound is
Magnesium sulfide.
magnesium sulfide. Magnesium sulfide.
Sulfur.
If you remember, we did the example from the book. In that example, we have we have heated the iron plus sulfur. The compound that is formed is iron sulfide. So in exams, if you have a different metals combine different type of metal combining with the sulfur, so you must remember the name of the compound will be magnesium sulfide, sodium sulfide, potassium sulfide. So remember the second thing. First is the name of the metal, magnesium, iron, sulfur, potassium. The thing you have to remember is the second name. It will form sulfide when there is a single sulfur like MgS. So its name is sulfide, not sulfate, not oxide, not sulfite. So must remember this, it's not sulfite, it's not sulfate, it's not oxide, it's a sulfide with the D. Pronunciation with the D, not T. Okay, remember this, it's very important. In exam you can face the different combination. So you must remember the name must be sulfide. Okay, fifth one is which substance can be present in a mixture?
Miss second and third.
Second and third, element and solid?
No, Miss
Miss
mixture.
compound.
Mixtures and compounds.
Mixtures and compounds.
Which substance can be present in mixture, beta? All of these.
All of them.
Compounds can also be present in a mixture. Elements can also be present in a mixture. Solids can also be present in a mixture. Mixtures can also be present in a mixture. So its answer is all of these. 1 and 2 means compounds and elements combine together and make a mixture. 1 and 4 means compounds and mixture combine together and make a mixture. And 2 and 3 elements and solids combine together and make a mixture. So all of these are correct. G Zimal, you are raising hand. Ask beta.
यस मिस आपने तो ये नहीं बताया था मिक्सचर लिक्विड का होता है कॉम्बिनेशन.
No, solids also having a mix combine together and make a mixture, जिसे हम alloy कह रहे थे. Remember, different liquids are combining together. They are making a. We have differentiating that when solids are combining together, the mixture is called as alloy. When liquids are combining together, they will make a solution. But while you are making mixture contains elements, compounds, different solids. For example, you are mixing NaCl, salt, in a water. So NaCl is a solid. So you are mixing solid in a liquid and it is making a mixture. So mixture can contain compounds, elements, solids and mixture, all of these. Next is MCQ 6. Okay, which one of the following represents a compound? Abdul Rahman, answer this question. Which one of the following represents a compound? From
B.
A, B, C and D, you have to tell me which one is a compound.
B.
Yes, B, because in a B, different atoms, different colors of atoms are combining. So which is
Miss,
a compound? In A, there are,
Miss,
yes bete,
मैम बी पे टिक लगा हुआ है इसलिए इसको
जी बेटा बी ही ऑप्शन है, आपको एक्सप्लेन करना भी आना चाहिए. B is a correct option. How it's a correct option? Because you can see different colors of the atoms are here. In a you can see different colors of atoms, but they are not combining with each other. They are separately in this container. In a C, just one type of atoms in this container. And in a D, different types of atoms in this container, but they are not combined. They are separately present in this container. So that's why the correct option is B, because different colors of atoms are combined together. Next is, which of the definition is not correct? Which of these definitions is not correct? What do you think? First,
A
A,
compound only contain one type of.
Miss B. B.
B is not correct. Musfira, which one is not a correct answer?
Miss B.
G, because compound only contain one type of atom, it's wrong. Compound having different types of atom. When there is the same type of atom, then we say it's a molecule. But when there are different types of atoms, then we say it's a compound. So option B is not a correct one. Hydrogen gas is, Ibad, hydrogen gas is?
Miss D.
No, hydrogen gas. Acha, we have to see
Miss
one
C.
hydrogen gas is a monatomic gas.
No.
This is a
No,
form
miss.
of hydrogen gas.
Miss
No,
C है.
C. Miss C.
Miss.
Just
C.
raise your hand. Raise your hand, then reply. Otherwise, there's a disturbance. Okay, just raise your hand. If you want to say something, just raise your hand. Okay. जी मुस्कान.
Miss ये question 8 का आंसर C है. Diatomic gas
Yes,
with
his
E.
answer is C. Why option A is wrong, Muskan? Why option A is wrong? A monatomic gas.
Hydrogen is not a monoatomic gas.
Because two atoms of hydrogens are combining together and make a gas molecule. If there is a one atom of hydrogen, then it's not a hydrogen gas. So while you are making a hydrogen gas, it's very necessary and important that there are two atoms. So hydrogen gas is not a monoatomic. B is a mixture of hydrogen atom. Hydrogen gas is a mixture of hydrogen atom. Why it is wrong, Ayan? Why this option is wrong? Ayan, answer my question. Why option B is wrong? A mixture of hydrogen atoms?
Miss, because
Ibad, answer this question.
Ma'am, because hydrogen gas do not have mixture of atoms.
G, in a hydrogen gas, there is not a mixture of hydrogen atom. There are two atoms of hydrogen that are combining together and making a mixture, or making a hydrogen gas. G, Abdul Rahman, what's your question?
Miss, what is monoatomic and diatomic gas?
Monoatomic means only one atom making a gas molecule, like helium, argon, neon. These are monoatomic atomic gases, they no need to be two atoms, they no need to be diatomic to make a gas molecule. They as a single atom, monoatomic, mono means one, mono means one. So helium, argon, neon, krypton, xenon, these are noble gases, and these noble gases exist as a monoatomic gas. They no need to be combined with another atom to make a gas molecule. So mono means one atom and di means two. So hydrogen gas is a diatomic. Single atom of hydrogen is not called as a gas. When there are two atoms of hydrogen, now you can say that it's a hydrogen gas. Abdul Rahman, it's clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So the correct answer is a diatomic gas with each molecule made up of two atoms. Next, ninth one. Okay. When three elements X, Y and Z combine to form a compound, the properties of this new compound X, Y, Z, when X, Y and Z, three elements are combining, new product is formed, that is X, Y and Z. So X, Y, Z having a property similar to which one? Tell me the correct answer.
Unlike other for Y or Z.
C.
Just
Miss
raise,
C.
Unlike either
just raise
either
your
X or Y or Z.
Ibad, just raise your hand, I will ask. Ji, Ibad, answer this.
Ma'am, C.
Okay, explain your answer.
Ma'am, they are saying when three elements X, Y, and Z combine to form a compound, the properties of this new compound X, Y, Z are because unlike either X or Y or Z, the answer.
Explain your answer.
1 minute.
Ji, Asad.
This is because they form a compound and we cannot it may have another property.
Yes, excellent, Asad. Very well done. Because the compound having its own properties, compound do not match with the property of X, Y, and Z. X, Y, and Z, three different elements having their own property. When they combine together, they make a compound, and compound do not match the properties of their reactants. Compound do not match the properties of their elements. Excellent, Asad. Very well done. Okay. MCQs number 10. Which of the following statement best supports the fact that air is a mixture? From the following, which statement is best suitable for air mixture? Answer this. Muskan, you answer. Zimal, you answer this, bete.
May I?
Zimal?
Yes, miss. The oxygen in the air is easily removed during combustion.
Air is a mixture of gases, as we know that air having oxygen, air contains different gases, and the oxygen is that gas which you can easily remove by combustion. Combustion is a reaction of burning. So when you are burning any kind of hydrocarbons, any kind of product, oxygen is very necessary. So when oxygen in the air is used as a combustion, then it is easily removed from the mixture of the air. G. Next, okay, these are the multiple choice question. Now we are moving towards the structured question. You have to do this on an answer sheet as an assignment. In a multiple choice question, you just have to write the correct answer, and in a structured question, you have to write complete answers in an assignment sheet and share with me at a Google Classroom. I'm going to share with you the assignment file. So you have to attach your answer sheet with my file. Those who do not have shared the yesterday's assignment will got 0 marks, because assignments, these homeworks having a marks, these marks will be included in your finals. So those are not doing the homeworks, they will got 0 marks. So be very clear to this. Okay, structured question.
वो
जी।
अभी क्या ना मिस, जो आपने कल वाला काम था जो आपने कहा था, तो वो अभी सबमिट करा सकते हैं?
Beta, if there is a time, then you can. Otherwise, you got 0 marks. because there was the time duration. Today is the last day, so see if there is not due time. Agar due nahi hua, then you can submit it. Okay, let's move towards structure question. State 4 differences between a mixture and a compound. In a first part of question number 11, structure questions, you have to differentiate between mixture and compound. Okay. So, who is going to answer this? Difference between mixture and a compound? Muskan. Any one difference?
Mixture and compound.
Yes.
If mixture is not physically combined and compound is physically combined and compound is pure, mixture is impure.
First difference is wrong. Abdur Rahman, Hamza, ji beta, answer this. Any one difference?
Mixtures can be easily separated by physical means.
Yes, mixture, you can separate out the mixture by physical, but compounds do not be separated out by physical means. You need a specified complex chemical reaction to separate the constituents of a compound. Okay, in this manner, you have to write 4-5 differences between mixture and a compound. Okay, while you are doing your assignments, write down 4 differences of mixture and compound. Next question number B. Part B of question number 11. Okay. Classify these naturally occurring substances as element, mixture and compound. You have to identify which one is element, which one is compound and which one is mixture. So what do you think? Petroleum is what?
This mixture.
Yes, petroleum is a mixture. Yes, so you have to write the correct option in front of the word petroleum. So it's a mixture, so you have to write here mixture. Completely no need to write, no one is going to write only mix. Write complete word mixture. Okay, common salt is?
Compound.
Yes, it's a compound. So you have to write compound in front of it. Okay, oxygen gas is?
Element.
Element.
Element, because it is a
Element.
molecule of element. Okay, sand is?
Mixture.
Mixture.
Compound.
No, sand is compound. SiO2 is a formula of sand. Sand is a compound. Sand is a compound. Okay, what is soil?
Mixture.
Yes,
Mixture.
soil is a mixture. Soil having clay, sand, loam, different components. So, it's a mixture. Soil is a mixture. Okay, what is sugar?
Compound.
Compound.
Sugar is a compound. Okay, what is carbon dioxide?
Compound.
Yes, compound. What is seawater?
Mixture.
Yes, good. It's a mixture. Okay, what is coal?
Element.
Yes, it's an element. Coal is carbon. Carbon is element. Yes, it's an element. Good, Abdul Rahman. Okay, what is air?
Mixture.
Air is a mixture. So in this way, you have to write in your assignment. A due date for this assignment will be tomorrow. Okay, next question is question number 12. Okay, which of these particle models show a monatomic gas, metallic element, compound, diatomic gas, water, methane gas? From these structures, these models, you have to identify which one is monatomic gas, which one is metallic element, and the compound, diatomic gas, water, and methane. So, which one is monatomic gas from these models?
Q.
Yes, you have to write in front of it Q. Which one is metallic element? Which one is metallic?
P.
Asad, answer this. You have to raise your hand. I will ask. Asad?
T.
T. Yes. Which one is compound? Which one is compound?
Miss P.
P is
PRS.
compound and R is also compound. So you have to write P and R both. You can mention P and R both. Okay. Diatomic gas. Which one is diatomic gas?
S.
S.
Okay, you can say this as it's a S, but it should be the same. Okay, the atomic gas S. Okay, water. Which one is water from these?
P.
Yes, P, because here you can see 3 atoms. So one atom is for oxygen and other 2 atoms are for hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Water. That is P. Okay, methane gas is which one?
R.
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 Methane having formula CH4. So here you can see 5 atoms. 1 atom for carbon and 4 small atoms for hydrogen.
Hydrogen.
Okay, in this way. So its answer is R. Okay, question number 13. Let's move towards question number 13. Okay, in the following chemical formulae, state the names of the different elements present and the number of atoms of each element. So you have to represent the name of the element. For example, the first one is ammonia. So you have to tell me that N is which element, H is which element, and total number of atoms. Total number of atoms and the atoms of each element. For example, in A, the element is nitrogen, and you make a column like this. Element, make 3 columns. Make 3 columns, and in first column write the name of compound. In a second element, like you are writing here ammonia, so element, and in third one number of atoms. So you are doing the option that is A. Okay, write here nitrogen and number of atoms are 1. So you have to write here 1. Then write hydrogen. Number of atoms of hydrogen are 3. Getting my point? All of you? Okay, in a same
Yes.
with the B. H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid. So write number of element, that is hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and write number of these elements in next corner. Ji Muskan, what's your question?
मिस मैंने आपसे पूछना है इसके 2 बनाने हैं
बेटा
कॉलम.
No, इसके 3 columns बनेंगे. In a first column write the compound, and in a second one write element, and in a third one write number of atoms. Okay, when you are writing all the elements and number of atoms, then start the next one. It will take the space, so use the space and write element, their number of atoms. Before this you have to write the name of the compound. In the same manner you have to do with all these, and it's your assignment, you have to do correctly. If you have any confusion, do for a 1 and send me picture and ask me. And if you are getting this, then it's well and good. I am going to share this recorded video in your Google Classroom also. So if you have any confusion at any point, again see this video, again see this lesson. Okay?
Okay, miss.
Okay, next is question number 14. It's a very interesting question and it totally depends on your concepts. So you all have to answer this. I'm not going to tell you the answer of this question. The question is, a group of students were investigating various elements, mixtures and compounds. They came up with the following hypothesis. While students are doing some investigations, some experiments, so they got this hypothesis. So you have to answer these 2 questions. Which of these hypotheses do you agree with? From these all hypotheses, you have to tell that with which hypothesis you are agreed. Okay? And the second is, can you correct those hypotheses which are not correct? So you have to answer this question. If you can say yes, so you have to correct that hypothesis also. Do not leave the incorrect hypothesis. Okay? If you are saying that yes, you can correct this hypothesis, then you have to correct it. Got me?
Okay.
Yes. So the first hypothesis is mixtures are always colored substances. So Asad, what do you think? Mixtures are always colored substances? This is a hypothesis.
No, miss.
No. So in the disagreement, you have to write this hypothesis. Part A, which of these hypotheses do you agree with? So, do you agree with में आपने वो वाले hypothesis लिखने हैं जिससे आप agreed हैं. So, इससे आप agreed नहीं हैं तो आपने ये उसमें नहीं लिखना. You have to write this hypothesis in a second part and correct it. Okay, Asad, how you are going to correct this hypothesis?
Because there are some mixtures that are not colored.
Yes, excellent, Asad. So you have to answer that there are some other mixtures, some mixtures that do not, they are having no color. Okay, elements only contain one type of atom. Aman, how you are going to answer this question? Elements only contain one type of atom?
Miss, 1 minute, miss.
Is
I
this
think
true? Are you agreed with this hypothesis or not? First answer this question. Are you agreed or not?
Yes, miss. Agreed.
Oh, agreed. So if you are agreed, then it's which means it's a correct. So no need to correct this. Okay, this hypothesis is correct and you are agreed with. You all have to correct those hypotheses which you think are wrong. Ji Abdul Rahman. Ji Abdul Rahman, bete. Abdul Rahman, do you have a question?
No, miss.
Okay, so read all these hypotheses and think about it that which one is correct and which one is not. If the hypothesis is correct, then no need to explain it. But if the hypothesis is wrong, you think that this hypothesis is wrong, then write in a part B that you do not agree with this hypothesis and explain your answer. Or you have to write hypothesis in a same manner like this. Make a box like this and then do it. Clear?
Okay, miss.
This is your assignment for today. Due date for this assignment will be tomorrow. I am sharing with you the file with the due date. So you have to attach your answer sheets with that file.
Miss,
Miss-
ये